Hello students, welcome to the 18th session of Final Accounts of Banking Companies. To understand 18th session, you have to see the video of 16 and 17 session video because 3 videos, 1 problem is being worked out. Okay, so before understanding 18th session, please watch 16th and 17th session video. Okay students, so in the 17th session, what did we do? In the 17th session, we have worked out the schedules from 6 to 16 with provision. In this session, we will do the final formats of profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay. So if we have a revision out of this, see these are all the items which we have totaled and we have got the final balances. Using this, we will do, see this was the problem, Modern Bank Limited, and we were going to do the profit and loss account. Okay. So when you look at the profit and loss account, see here income statement or profit and loss account for the year ending income. Okay. Let us see how much is the income. See, look at the income. You can see that the income is interest, that is schedule number 13, 2,47,500. Okay. Next, other incomes is 50,000. Yes, it is 50,000. We take into consideration. Next, interest expended is how much? Nodi, eštide interest expended 1,50,000. So interest expended expenditure 50,000, 1,50,000 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Next to operating expenses ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 56,500. Yes, you have to post 56,500. Next, after the P&C, provision and contingency 2,500. Yes, you have to take 2,500. Total the income, that is schedule number 13 and 14, you are getting 2,97,500. Total the expenses, that is schedule number 15 and 16, with provision and contingencies, you are getting 2,09,000. So total of A minus total of B will give you profits. So 2,97,500 minus 2,09,000 will give you 88,500. Plus previous year profit is also there. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ? Where have they given? You have to go to the problem and see the credit side. See, you can see that P&L account balance for the previous year is being given. Okay, so very importantly, you have to make sure that each and every you have to see properly and take out. Okay, so see here profit and loss account balance 30,000 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ total bills payable profit and loss account 30,000. So this 30,000 will be taken to the income statement. See in this session. Profits of the current year A minus B, profit of the previous year 30,000. So this will be the total. Okay. With that you have to calculate appropriation. Okay. First problem al kottidaro kottilvo, it is your duty to calculate statutory reserve. How will you calculate statutory reserve? Current profit and loss account balance or previous profit and loss account balance ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ? Yes, you are correct. You have to take current years only. Previous year ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು? Because previous year ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, 25% already charges ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So you have to take current years. So that is why 88,500 on that 25% will give me 22,125. Other reserve anything is there? No. Transfer to proposed dividend. See, this is given in the adjustment, students. Very clearly they have given adjustment. Director proposed 5% dividend on share capital. What is the share capital value? Yes, see here 5 lakhs. On 5 lakhs you have to take 5%, that will give me 25,000. So see here I have transferred proposed dividend. Students, proposed dividend, important adjustment. You have to keep this point in mind. Whatever they are giving interim dividend, it belongs to the last year. Okay, please remember, it belongs to the last year. So that will be paid. So suppose proposed dividend is given in the adjustment, this becomes the current year proposed dividend. So it has to come to two places. One, it will come in under appropriation in income statement. Secondly, it will come in balance sheet under the schedule 5. Okay, hope you have understood this. Finally, you have to calculate the balance of profit and loss account. Okay, how do you calculate the balance? 1,18,500 subtotal minus 22,125 and 25,000. If you minus it from this big amount, you are going to get profit and loss account carried down 71,375. Hope you are able to understand, students. Next up, we will have a look at the balance sheet. Balance sheet is also very easy. If the schedules are correct, the balance sheet can become very easy for you. So let us have a look at the items which we have taken. See, you have capital 5 lakhs, reserves and surplus. You have, see, very important thing before this, reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus, so ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ನೀವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟ್ಯುಟರಿ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ನಮಗೆ ಪಿ&ಎಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಸೊ 22,125. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 71,375 ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮೂರು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ವೈ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪುಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ so that you understand that reserves and surplus totaling, you can, when you're writing the schedule, you write all the schedule, but totaling should be the last for reserves and surplus. Next, we will go to the balance sheet, Form A, balance sheet as on 31/6/2016. So first you have to take capital. See, all these items are all we have already found out. ಯಾವುದು ಹೊಸದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಐಟಮ್ಸು ಏನೇನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀವೋ, ಏನೇನು ಟೋಟಲಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವೋ, ಸೇಮ್ ಐಟಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ 5 lakhs. Then reserves and surplus, you saw the last, this one 3,43,500. Deposit, you have 7,50,000. Borrowings 50,000. Other liabilities. So the total will be 23,33,500. Important points, what you have to make sure is, first make sure that you are making schedule number whenever problem is given. Problem ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿ. ಮೂರನೇದು, ಐಟಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟು, ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಗಿವ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್, ಬಿ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಟ್ರಾವೆಲರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಹಲವಾರು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 100 out of 100 ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನೀವು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, thank you very much. Take care. All the best for your exams. Okay, any other videos I will try to put it up in my YouTube channel. Thank you for your patience. Thank you. Bye.